Hello everyone. Let us now study what syntactical structure of science is. The syntactical structure of science is concerned with the so-called process of scientific inquiry, means by which scientific knowledge acquired and verified. Syntactical structure is classified into two categories: scientific inquiry and science as a process. Scientific inquiry. The literal meaning of inquiry is to question, to seek information, to investigate. So, it can be defined as being inquisitive, asking questions, or trying to find out something for oneself. Dennett D. Peterson defines inquiry as a systematic and investigative activity with the purpose of discovering and describing relationships among objects and events. He contends that inquiry is characterized by the use of orderly and repeatable processes, reduction of the object of investigation to most simple forms, and use of logical works for explanation and prediction. He lists the following as operations of scientific inquiry, which include observing, questioning, experimenting, comparing, inferring, generalizing, communication, and applying. Coming to the second one, science as a process. It is classified into various categories. The first one is accurate and precise description. In scientific process, one of the essential thing is to establish common understandings. This is a way each word in science calls upon a specific concept in mind. It is for this reason that so much new and specialized vocabulary must be learned by the neophytes in school. Coming to classification or grouping of the phenomena is the first step to reach conclusions and generalizations. The nature of classification depends on the basis on which classification is made. So, it is important to understand that individual items or phenomena are grouped in the given ways. It is equally necessary for us to understand that why one of classes have been chosen rather than the other. Repetition. If the event has scientific significance, it must be made to reoccur. If the conditions necessary for repetition can be established, the scientist can repeat an event. This repetition is necessary to describe the phenomena or event accurately. Further, if an event is made to reoccur, there is a possibility of controlling it also. Consensus. When a repeatable event or phenomena is reported, other scientists can try to duplicate it. If a group of scientists try the same thing and all come to the same conclusion, it is probable that the event really has taken place in the manner reported. Experimentation. By imposing variations in the conditions controlling an event, scientists can obtain new and often valuable information. The experimenter varies first on one factor and then another and studies the result of the various variations. Then he records his findings and often gets entirely new information about the subject of his studies. Measurement. Through the use of number and mathematical relationships, observed phenomena can be described specifically. Besides this, duplication by other scientists can be facilitated. Measurement is a particular kind of description. Measurement makes the description of the phenomena more objective. In short, we can say that substantive structure may be regarded as comprising various classes of knowledge, statements, and that each of these classes possesses its own characteristic syntactical structure.